Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the teleportation effect tutorial. So all you have to open your video that you want to create tutorial here. So I want to make this two people's teleport. So all you have to do, just split this one part of the video that you need to delete. For example, this is the process. In the middle, I want to teleport these two people into this side. So for example, I want to delete this part here. Done. So this is a rough teleportation here set. I need to make things smoothly by use transition here. So you can use a dissolve here. Done. After you add a dissolve transition, now you can add overlay. So after you add a overlay effect, you can search on library. You can add splice and use this dodge splice here. It's to be like this. And the last, you can add animation in here. You can search a ripple. Here you can join pro first. So this is for example. So feel free to try, maybe you can do it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.